Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to remove this pop-up "My store opening soon. Sign up for our newsletter to be the first to know when we launch." You can enter your email here and enter using a password. So this event happens when your store is under development and not officially launched. So first of all, what you want to do, as you can see, you go to Shopify dashboard, you go to online store in sales channels. After that, go to preferences. You can see here the store access, the password protection, and as you can see here, to let anyone access your online store, pick up a plan. Now, if you want to give access to anyone to preview your website, you can just give him this code and you can just enter it from here. He can now access your store to preview it with you and give you feedback maybe or help you. Otherwise, it's not accessible to anyone. The only solution to this is, as you can see, to pick a plan. You have to pick up one of these 4 plans. So make sure you select one, pay the dollar, and by then your website will be published to any client all over the world that can access it without the need to enter any password. I hope you understand the idea and this video helped you, so make sure you like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.